No, I like more cheeseburger.
You like more cheeseburger?
Yes, I like more cheeseburger.
I haven't tried this one.
You never tried?
Not this one.
So I'm first.
Hello everyone, this is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in my hometown of Miami, Florida, and I'm here with my friend Margarita, and she is Barvina in the Ukraine and in Russia. This girl is amazing. She has an incredible YouTube channel. You guys have to check it out. But today what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show her some American food, some American fast food, some stuff that I like. I don't know American fast food, but this stuff I think she'll like it, and we're gonna see how she reacts. Are you ready?
Of course. I'm ready.
Are you ready? Let's try it. Let's try it. And right here we have this is like a surprise box. Okay, so I'm gonna pull things out. I have like 7 different items.
So I'm scared now. What do you give me first?
You're scared?
Yes.
I'm gonna give you the most American thing you can think of right here.
Okay.
Are you ready?
It's a cheeseburger.
It's a cheeseburger.
Oh, it's a cheeseburger. Okay. And now I will try it. Here we have a lot of meat, I think.
Yeah. So it's Angus beef, and then inside we have American cheese. I got no toppings because I didn't know what you liked, so I just wanted to go as plain as possible. But this is a better cheeseburger. Five Guys cheeseburgers are like, you know, they're not super expensive, like Shake Shack, but they're not like Burger King or McDonald's.
In my country we don't have Five Guys, but we have McDonald's, and I think this cheeseburger is similar to my country.
But this is the most like American thing we have, so you had to try.
So now I'm like American, you know.
You're American.
My first food?
Okay, so the next thing we're gonna try is another very American thing. Okay. I'm gonna pull it out of here.
And it will be here all over. No?
What do you think this is?
I don't know. It smells like a potato.
A potato? No, it's not a potato.
No?
No,
okay,
no.
we'll see because I have no idea what. It's a hot dog.
It's a hot dog. It's a cheese hot dog.
It's a cheese hot dog. I never seen before a cheese hot dog.
No?
No, in my country we have like just a hot dog.
And it's actually
sauce.
and it's a kosher hot dog, so it's, you know.
Okay, I will try it. I like this sausage. What is it?
It's just it's a pork sausage. It's a pork sausage.
No.
But it's kosher, so I mean, it's processed correctly. You know, it's a big thing.
No, I like more cheeseburger.
You like more cheeseburger?
Yes, I like more cheeseburger.
I haven't tried this one.
You never tried?
Not this one.
So I'm first. Wow.
From Five Guys, yeah. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna take a bite. I'm gonna take a little bite.
I know this food is not healthy, but I think everybody try it. Yes? You like it?
Oh wow, it's a good sausage.
Yes, what I said.
Really good.
What I said. Yeah.
The cheese, American cheese, oh, it's delicious. But not healthy.
But not healthy.
So what's next?
I have no idea, of course. And it's cheeseburger.
You think? No, it's something else. It's another American thing.
What is it? It's like it's cheese?
It's a grilled cheese.
Wow. I never seen it before.
You never seen this?
No.
What? See, the bread here is like a round bread. I haven't seen this before, but usually it's a square bread. And again, American cheese.
Yes, and we have a lot of cheese here. So it's just a bread and cheese.
Bread and cheese, and it's grilled. That's it.
It's like I can eat it on breakfast.
Yeah, no, for sure. It's really good.
I like it. It's cool. It tastes really weird, but I like it.
I think there's a lot of butter here.
It's not healthy too.
I mean, the thing is that if you come from like, you know, Russia, Ukraine, or Europe, wherever, and you come to America, you gotta try some American fast food. I mean, it's just part of the culture. You know, most people here eat this a lot.
Yes, but it's not healthy. But this, I think, is this food I like it the most.
Yeah?
Yes, I really like it. I never tried, but
have some more stuff for you, so don't eat too much of that. Oh, the next one. Okay, here we go.
The next.
If I can grab it.
Oh, it's a potato.
Like the whole bag. Look, the whole bag. Hold on.
Why it's here?
Because Five Guys, what they do is they pour it into the bag. It's so much.
It's so much, yeah. Okay, the potato looks kind of weird, but it stays the same. It's like, but I think it's more healthier than it's like McDonald's or no.
Yeah, so these are Idaho potatoes. So it comes from the best potatoes in America from the state of Idaho. And these they're not too crispy. They're a little salty. The best thing to do is try it maybe with some ketchup.
Okay.
And then I also got here some barbecue sauce because in America we love our barbecue. So,
I love barbecue too.
So if you want to try with that, I'm gonna try some too.
And no, everybody here in McDonald's or everywhere they always take potato.
Oh yeah, they love potato.
Yes,
they
and drink Cola or Fanta. They always drink. Yes. Yeah. Everywhere they sit, eat potato and drink Cola.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, French fries is part of our culture. But I love the barbecue. The barbecue is the best. You should like I usually put barbecue with everything: onion rings, French fries, hot dog, burgers.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
Every time.
So the next thing I got for you is from Burger King.
Onion.
Onion rings. Yeah, so it's onion, like an onion, and then they fry it, and that's it.
Okay.
You never had this?
No, I never tried this. Can you imagine this? I know that. I know that maybe I like onion, so I can eat it. But like some of my friends don't like it.
No, I love onions. This is actually my favorite compared to French fries. I don't know how to. We're gonna post to do it.
Okay.
Barbecue or?
No.
No?
No.
Oh, always.
Alright, no barbecue. It tastes like an onion. Now you all smell.
It's basically onions with batter fried. No? You don't like it?
No. No.
Where you go?
Eat water.
Alright, so I'm gonna eat some of this food.
Okay, I'm compared. How are you gonna eat this?
I don't know.
You like it, right? So maybe then you will try Ukrainian food and.
Oh man, I love Ukrainian food.
I don't think so.
So if you guys want to see me try Ukrainian food, go over to her channel.
Yes.
Link is in the description. And you can see me try Ukrainian food.
Yeah.
I love Ukrainian food.
Of course. You will try.
Man, I'm Hungarian. Come on. We're the same culture.
Okay. Okay. And the next one is.
Next one is the chicken fries from Burger King. These are like French fries, but made out of chicken.
Chicken. Wow.
Wow, right? Look. I know, I saw on the menu and I was like, maybe she should try chicken fries. I didn't have anything chicken here, everything is pork and beef. Look at that.
Okay.
I'm gonna try it.
In this video I will always say I never tried it.
I haven't tried it either, so. Cheers,
Okay.
cheers.
It's spicy.
Yeah, it's like a chicken finger. It's very thin, like a French fry. So it's chicken fries. You like it?
Yeah, I like it. But I like more
French fries?
French fries.
Yeah. I'm okay with this. Not my favorite. Oh, I have one more thing for you. Hold on a second.
It's too spicy.
What's spicy? Nothing
It's
spicy.
chicken, no, it's spicy.
No.
Yes.
This is the most American thing we got. A milkshake.
Ooh, this I like. Oh, I'm so happy.
And this is an Oreos milkshake from Five Guys. Really good. Oh, this is like not working.
Like,
Yeah, no, it's like stuck. Go on.
okay, I love milkshake and I love Oreo. I really want to try it. But it's
Just,
I
yeah,
can see
you
that.
a little bit.
Yes, I can see that in this shake we have a lot of Oreos. But
Yeah. So it's vanilla and it's Oreos. The Oreos are like just battered together, like broken into like, basically powder. And then they make it into a milkshake. They put it in a blender and that's it. No, this is the best. This is the most addictive.
I like
This
it.
is like 1,000 calories right here.
you. I will, after this video, I will be like, really big.
No, we
Like-
want to bites, tiny bites.
Tiny bites, of course, I'm just kidding. But I think the shake I like the most.
Oh, I'm sure.
But it's like Oreo, but you can drink it.
Yeah.
But also, I think you can eat it with spoon because we have like a lot of piece of this Oreo.
Yeah, they have
it's like
chunks.
really big, yes.
Big chunks, yeah. No, it's good, it's good. I think you would like this one the most because it's my favorite of everything here. That's my favorite, yeah. But it's yours. What was your favorite?
Okay, I think I really like this bread. Bread with
Oh, the grilled cheese? Okay.
Yes. I think it's, I don't know, but it's really weird and I like it. In my country, we don't have it, so.
Your first time, huh? All this?
No.
Some of the stuff. I mean, this is my first time having this. Alright guys, so if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe over to Barvina. Her channel is amazing. And subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you on the next travel adventure. And also head over to her channel and check out me eating Ukrainian food. It's delicious. Peace.
We will try. Peace.